To retrieve your Phantom Wallet recovery phrase, follow these steps carefully. The recovery phrase is essential for restoring access to your wallet in case of device loss or wallet reset. Open Phantom Wallet. Launch the Phantom Wallet browser extension or mobile app on your device. Navigate to Settings. In the wallet interface, click on the menu icon to open the settings. Find recovery phrase. Look for the option labeled Rebuild Recovery Phrase or View Recovery Phrase. This feature may require additional verification steps to ensure security. Verify identity. Phantom Wallet may prompt you to enter your wallet password, passphrase, or biometric verification to verify your identity. Securely display recovery phrase. Once your identity is verified, your recovery phrase will be displayed. Carefully write down or securely store the 12 or 24-word phrase in a safe location. Use recovery phrase. This recovery phrase is necessary to restore your wallet in case of device loss, accidental deletion, or any situation where your wallet needs to be recovered. Be cautious. Avoid sharing your recovery phrase publicly or storing it in insecure locations, such as online or on devices with internet access. Protect it as you would with a private key.